In this video, you'll learn how to deactivate your Moonpay account. This process involves navigating through various settings and confirming your decision to delete your profile. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully deactivated. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Moonpay homepage. Ensure you are at the correct site by looking for the Moonpay logo and the option to buy cryptocurrency. This is the starting point for all actions related to your account. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Get Started. This option is typically prominently displayed on the homepage. After clicking, you should see a new page load that provides you with options for creating or managing your account. Once the new page appears, find the Settings option in the menu. This is usually positioned towards the upper right section of the screen. Clicking this will direct you to your account settings, where you can manage various aspects of your profile. After accessing the settings, look for the Profile section. Select this option to view details related to your account. This area will contain information about your account settings, including the option to delete your profile. Now click on the Delete Profile option. A confirmation message will appear outlining important information regarding the deletion process. It is crucial to read this message carefully, as it may include warnings about losing access. Once you acknowledge the warning, a checklist will be presented. This checklist is designed to ensure that you have completed all necessary actions before proceeding with the deletion. Review each item thoroughly to confirm that you have withdrawn all funds and saved any recovery phrases. Next, confirm that the statements on the checklist are accurate. You will need to verify that you have withdrawn all funds, saved your recovery phrase, and have no orders in progress. This step is essential to prevent any loss of assets. After confirming the statements, you will find an option to finalize the deletion. Click on the button that states, "Yes, I confirm that the statements above are true. Please delete my profile." This action indicates your agreement to proceed with the account deletion. Finally, click on the Delete Profile button to complete the process. A confirmation message will appear indicating that your request has been received. Be aware that account deletion is irreversible, so ensure you are ready to proceed before confirming. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in